Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with a game changer, the 4K vlogging camera from Yoidesu. But this isn't just any camera. It's the best companion for your boudoir photography endeavors. Let's explore why. First off, let's talk resolution. This camera boasts an impressive 64 megapixels, ensuring every detail of your boudoir shots is captured with stunning clarity. And with its 4K capabilities, your images will be sharper and more lifelike than ever before. But what really sets this camera apart is its seamless connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi and an intuitive app, you can transfer photos directly to your phone for quick editing and sharing. Plus, you can remotely control video recording and photo capture, giving you complete creative freedom. And let's not forget about its night vision capabilities. Perfect for those intimate, low-light settings, this camera ensures your boudoir photos are always illuminated and vibrant. Plus, with its 16x digital zoom, you can capture every angle and detail with precision, whether you're shooting up close or from afar. Now, let's talk longevity. With a built-in lithium battery boasting a whopping 4,800 mAh capacity, this camera can keep up with even your longest boudoir sessions. And its versatility doesn't end there. You can even use it as a webcam for your computer, expanding its functionality beyond just photography. In conclusion, the 4K vlogging camera from Yoidesu is not only a powerhouse for vlogging and photography but also the ultimate tool for boudoir enthusiasts. With its high-resolution imaging, seamless connectivity, and impressive battery life, it's a game-changer in the world of boudoir photography. So why wait? Elevate your photography game and get your hands on this must-have camera today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique.